today. We're making our own little ball ornaments. We're gonna paint them, and we thought it would be a really good idea for my oldest son's teacher for a Christmas gift. So we made one for her, and then I had extras left over, so I let the boys do their own. And they have a tree in their room, which I'm gonna show y'all how I decorated their room. So they got to put their little ornament on their tree. And then I also decorated my daughter's room, which is a first for me. I've never decorated a girl's room for anything, let alone Christmas. So that was a lot of fun, and I'll show y'all the end product for both of those. Hopefully they give you a little inspo. I know it's super close to Christmas. It's kind of last minute, but maybe you need to do a little extra gift, something really cute you could have your kids make for a family member or a friend, and you want it to be more personal. You can also write on the ornaments. I think she's tired. So I'm gonna go put her down and we're gonna get started. Mama, you just gonna talk? Do you wanna be the talker? You gonna talk? Say dada. Say mama. Say mama. Can you say dada? Look at them pretty eyes, mama. Okay, this is really simple. All you need is some yarn to hang the ornaments, some plastic ornaments from Hobby Lobby, any size that you want, and then some paint. Any colors that you want. I like to do 3 colors. Abel ended up doing like 10, but 3 similar colors, light and dark, and I think those look the best. So I always pour in the lightest color first, and then you just move the ornament around until it moves exactly where you want it. Then you add another color, and you just repeat that process until you like the way that it looks. I actually liked it with a little bit of the glass or the plastic showing and not so much paint. But after they sit for a while and it starts to move while it dries, it'll make its own little pattern, and it looks really, really cool. You could even add in some glitter into the paint to make it even more festive. And then after we were totally done, the one that we made for Georgie's teacher, on the bottom of it, we actually wrote Merry Christmas in a Sharpie, and Georgie wrote his name on there. So it was very nice and personal. And then I added this little tassel with a jingle bell on it for hers. We didn't do this for all of them, just for hers, just to make it a little bit more festive and cute and different. But I think it turned out really pretty.
let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sun said it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and
This pom-pom garland you see me putting up now, I actually made myself for the boys' room. I just made red and white pom-poms and then I tied them to a long piece of string. I have a video to show you how to make your own pom-poms, so I'll leave that down in the description below if you want to check it out. But like you see here, I think it looks really cute and really pretty for a boys' room. Just a little extra touch of red and white to go with the rest of the colors in their room. And then this naughty or nice sign I made last year. It's just a block of wood painted black, and I added the red and white stencil on it. And then of course I have to add Christmas lights into their room. I think that's so fun for them, and they definitely love it at nighttime. And their little tree skirt is from the dollar spot at Target, and it just ties everything in so cute.
When everything is white, glimmering silver white, and stillness fills the night, it's Christmas.
Now moving on to my favorite room in the whole house. Whether it's Christmas or not, her room is definitely my favorite room. And I was so excited to decorate it for Christmas. I've never decorated a little girl's room before for Christmas, so it was really fun to be able to get to use pinks and oranges and peaches and purples. So I definitely love the way it turned out. It's her cute little corner in her room, all Christmassy. And at nighttime, again, we leave the lights on the garland, and it gives it a really pretty glow, a little like nightlight glow. I just love this part in the room.
Oh, what a bliss. A green red delight with glimmering silver white. You dazzle us all from big to small. Warm laughter and white smiles, my presents stacked in piles. Take me.
As the kids get older, their rooms become more and more fun to decorate for the holidays. But I'm wondering, do you guys decorate for your kids' rooms? Is that something that you like to do, or do you just focus on like the family area? I would love to know. Leave me a comment down below. But I hope y'all loved this video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell. I hope to see y'all next time. But for now, I'm gonna say good night and Merry Christmas. Bye.